Hello, my name is Tsihoarana, studying biochemistry at the University of Antananarivo. I recently got my bachelor degree and now I'm working on my master's. Since 2018, the Friend of Madagascar Klinikiste Association has been supporting me with both materials and encouragement. They have provided books, computer, and English courses, which have been a huge help. Their support empowered me to believe in myself and take risks. Now, in my fourth year, I'm preparing for my master's. In the future, I want to create a medical laboratory in Madagascar in order to help public health, which is why I'm learning English too. I'm so thankful to Yasin and the Friend von Madagascar Klinikiste Association for their support. Thank you all for being part of my journey. Bye.